Do you ever spend hours studying, only to forget everything when it's time for the test? The truth is, the problem isn't your brain, it's the way you study. In this video, I'll show you how to use active recall, a proven technique to study less, learn faster, and actually remember what you read. Active recall is a study method where you actively test yourself instead of just rereading notes or highlighting. In other words, you're not just feeding your brain information, you're training it to pull information out. When you force yourself to recall something, your brain strengthens the memory pathway, like exercising a muscle. The harder you try, the stronger your memory gets. That's why scientists call it one of the most powerful study techniques ever tested. Here's how to use active recall in your daily study routine. Step 1. Read and recall. After reading a page or chapter, close the book and write down everything you remember. Step 2. Ask yourself questions. Turn your notes into questions. For example, instead of writing, "Photosynthesis uses sunlight to make food," ask, "What process uses sunlight to make food?" Step 3. Use flashcards. Apps like Anki or Quizlet are great tools because they quiz you repeatedly until the answer sticks. Step 4. Teach someone else. If you can explain a topic out loud, in simple words, it means you truly understand it. So remember, don't just read your notes, recall them. Active recall is the fastest way to learn, study less, and remember more. Start using it today and watch your results skyrocket. If this video helped you, hit like, subscribe, and share it with a friend who wants to study smarter, not harder.